Today, I will introduce to you the steps of oil change of piston compressor. The tools needed: vacuum pump, refrigeration oil, hexagonal wrench, filling tube, fluoride table, wrench, power strip. The first step is to discharge the gas in the compressor. Close the low pressure valve, oil return valve and high pressure valve of the compressor. Unscrew the nut and screw it clockwise with a wrench to the end. Close the low pressure valve. Tighten the oil return valve clockwise and close it. Remove the nut on the high pressure valve end. Take out the fluoride table and make sure the high and low pressure meter switch is off. Connect the high pressure tube at the high pressure end of the fluoride table to the high pressure exhaust port. Turn clockwise to the end with a wrench to close the high pressure valve. Turn on the switch on the high pressure end of the fluoride table and start exhausting. The yellow pipe will make a sound and escapes some gas. After about half an hour, no gas escapes, no sound from the yellow tube. The second step is to drain the refrigerant oil in the compressor. Clean the spring and the oil filter. Make sure there is no pressure in the compressor. Unscrew the oil outlet with a hexagonal wrench. Take out the spring and oil filter for cleaning. Wait until no oil drips out. Install the oil filter first. Plug the spring again. And finally tighten the screw.